So in the previous video, we already proved the vector equation of the plane here. In this case, the Cartesian form is given by L1 bar is equal to A1i plus B1j plus C1k, L2 bar is equal to A2i plus B2j plus C2k, and R bar is xi plus yj plus zk. Then the required plane becomes means this is the equation of the plane in a vector form here. So N1 bar is this here, and plus lambda into N2 bar is this one is equal to D1 plus lambda into D2. Here R bar is this vector here, so write here xi plus yj plus zk dot of here this plus this one here. So take this lambda inside the bracket. From these two I is the common here. A1 plus lambda into A2. A1 plus lambda into A2 into I plus B1 plus lambda into B2 here. B1 plus lambda into B2 into J plus here C1 plus lambda into C2 here. C1 plus lambda into C2 into K, that is equal to D1 plus lambda into D2 here. D1 plus lambda into D2. So this is one vector and this is other vector here. It's a dot product is there. So there is a dot product. Dot product of this vector is given by x into this term, x into A1 plus lambda into A2, then the plus here, y into this term here, y into bracket B1 plus lambda into B2 plus z into this term here. So z into bracket C1 plus lambda into C2 here, that is equal to D1 plus lambda into D2. D1 plus lambda into. Even you can take this D1 and lambda D2 left side here. Therefore, this becomes a minus here. So minus of D1 and minus of D2, that is equal to 0. Then x A1 plus y B1 plus z C1 minus D1 here. Right in the bracket. Ax A1x here. A1x then plus B1y. B1y plus so C1z here. C1z and minus D1. Minus D1 right in one bracket here, then plus. Here is lambda and lambda here. Lambda is the common factor here. Then A2x, so right here A2x plus B2y. B2y plus C2z here. C2z minus of D2 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, this gives equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the two given planes here. Okay. Means this is a one plane. Its equation is A1 x plus B1y plus C1z minus D1 is equal to 0. This is one plane and this is the other plane here. Okay. Consider this is one more plane here. Its equation is A2x here. A2x plus B2y plus C2z minus of D2 is equal to 0. This is other plane. Then the third plane here. This is the third plane passing through this line of intersection here. Here we want this equation here. So equation of this plane is given by this one. Okay, here this is one plane here. This is other plane, and the third plane is given by A1 x plus B1y plus C1z minus D1 plus lambda into A2x plus B2y plus C2z minus D2 is equal to 0. Equation of this plane. Okay, third plane. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes r bar dot I plus j plus k is equal to 6 and r bar dot 2I plus 3j plus 4k is equal to minus 5. So you know that one plane is r bar dot of n1 bar is equal to d1 here. So this is one plane here. The other plane here, this is one more plane here. Okay. So its equation here r bar dot of n2 bar is equal to d2 here. Okay. Then here we want this third plane here, this one. So this plane is given by r bar dot of n1 bar plus lambda into n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda into d2. Okay, and this plane passing to the point 1, 1 and 1 here. The plane passing to the point 1, 1 and 1. Find equation of this plane here using this formula. So comparing these given equations with these two equations here. Okay, therefore here in this example here n1 bar is equal to I plus j plus k, means this one here. Compare this with this here. Okay, and comparing this with this equation here, n2 bar is equal to 2I plus 3j plus 4k, and d1 is equal to this 6 here. Okay, so d1 is equal to 6 and d2 is equal to minus 5. d2 is equal to minus 5. Okay, therefore required equation of the plane here, required equation of the plane is required equation of the plane is r bar dot of n1 bar plus lambda into n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda into d2 here. Then r bar dot of n1 is this vector here. So I plus j plus k plus lambda into bracket n2 bar is this one here, 2I plus 3j plus 4k. d1 is 6 here plus lambda into d2 is minus of 5. Take this lambda inside the bracket here. Then from these two terms I is the common factor. Therefore r bar dot here 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 2 lambda into I. From these two, j common factor here. Therefore 1 plus 3 lambda here, 1 plus 3 lambda into j plus 1 plus 4 lambda, right in the bracket here, 1 plus 4 lambda into k, bracket complete, that is equal to 6 minus of 5 lambda here. So 6 minus 5 lambda. Okay, now take this one as equation number 1 here. Take this one as equation number 1. Okay, now take r bar is equal to, let r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, because the plane passing to the point 1, 1 and 1 here, x value is 1, y value is 1 and z value 1. Therefore write this equation in terms of x, y, z here. Okay, because you have to substitute x, y and z values here. So take r bar as xi plus yj plus zk, so use here. Therefore x into I plus y into z plus z into k dot of 1 plus 2 lambda into I plus 1 plus 3 lambda 1 plus 3 lambda into j plus 1 plus 4 lambda into k, that is equal to 6 minus of 5 lambda, 6 minus 5 lambda. Then it's a dot product. It's a dot product is given by x into this term here. X into 1 plus 2 lambda. Then plus here. Y into this term. Y into bracket 1 plus 3 lambda plus z into this term here. Z into bracket 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 6 minus of 5 lambda. The equation in terms of x, y, z here. So this plane passing to the point 1, 1 and 1 here. This plane passes through so 1 and 1 here. Put x value 1, y value 1, z value 1 here. Therefore 1 into bracket 1 plus 2 lambda here. 1 into 1 plus 3 lambda, then plus then 1 into 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 6 minus of 5 lambda. Then remove this bracket here. So 1 plus 2 lambda here plus 1 plus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 6 minus of 5 lambda. Now you simplify. So 1 plus 1 becomes 3 here. So write here 3. 2 lambda plus 3 lambda. 5 plus 4. 5 lambda plus 4 lambda is 9 lambda here. So plus 9 lambda is equal to 6 minus of 5 lambda. Take minus 5 lambda this side, 3 lambda that side here. So 9 lambda plus 5 lambda is equal to 6 minus 3 here. So 9 plus 5 becomes 14 here. 14 lambda is equal to 6 minus 3 becomes 3 here. Therefore lambda is equal to 3 divided by 14 here. Therefore the value of lambda is 3 by 14. Use this lambda value in the equation 1 here. So use here. Okay. That is the equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes here R1 dot of 1 plus 2 into lambda 2 into 3 by 14 into I into I, then the plus 1 plus 3 into 3 by 14 into j, okay, into j. Take a square bracket, sorry, R bracket here. Take a R bracket. Here also R bracket. Okay, 1 plus 3 into lambda value into j. Then plus 1 plus 4 into 3 by 14 into k. That is equal to 6 minus 5 into 3 by 14. 3 by 14. Just replace lambda by value by 3 by 14. Therefore, R1 dot of here 14 is the LCM here. 14 is the LCM. 14 ones of 14. Then plus 3 twos are 6 here into I plus again 14 LCM here. 14 is the LCM. 14 ones are 14 plus 3 threes are 9 into j plus again 14 LCM. Then 14 ones are 14 then plus 4 threes are 12 here into k. Second complete here. That is equal to 14 LCM. So 14 into 6 here. 84. Minus of 5 threes are 15 here. So it is 15. In this bracket again 14 is the LCM here. R bar dot of. So write 14 in the denominator. This is LCM here. Into bracket 14 plus 6 becomes 20. 20i. 14 plus 9 here. 21. So 21 is here. Okay, 21. 14 plus 9. 23. Not 21. 23. 23 z. 14 plus 20. It is 26 here. Plus 26 k. 26 k. Okay. Then this equal to 84 minus of 15 here. It is 69 here. 69 divided by 14. This 14 and this 14 get cancels here. So R bar dot of 20i plus 23j plus 26k, that is equal to 69. So this is a required planing. Okay, this is a plane passing to the line of intersection of these two planes as well as the point 1 1 1 here. Okay, 1 1 and 1. We can verify here whether the plane passing to this point 1 1 and 1 or not here. Just observe here. Here R1 is what here? R1 is xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore this dot of this one here. So it is a 20x. Okay, just observe here. 20x plus 23y. So 23y plus then 26z here. So 26z is equal to 69. Just put x value 1, y value 1, z value 1 here. Because the plane passing to the point 1, 1 and 1 here. Put x value 1 here. 20 plus y value 1, 23 plus z value is 1 here. 26 is equal to 69 here. Adding these 3 here, again we get 69 is equal to 69 here. Means the plane passing to the point 1, 1 and 1. So our answer is correct here. Okay, this is a verification here. Okay. So this is a procedure to find the equation of the plane passing to the point of intersection of the given planes here.